Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for ShapeShift, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the ShapeShift website. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the registration button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password to secure your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Read the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Next, check your email for a verification message from ShapeShift. Open the verification email and click the provided link to verify your account. After verification, return to the ShapeShift website. Log in using your registered email address and password. You may need to complete additional identity verification steps. Follow the prompts to provide any requested identification documents. Once verification is complete, navigate to your account dashboard. Here, you can set up two-factor authentication for added security. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to start using ShapeShift for your crypto transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.